In this episode, I'm going to tell you why I trust people who say, I don't know. Stay tuned for more. Hi, my name is Johan Mailav. I'm the founder and CEO of Lean Dimensions International. And I will tell you something that happens to me once in a while. It's when people say, they give me an answer on a question that is totally wrong. And I'd rather have people say, I don't know, and I'm eager to find out, but just creating an answer does not build confidence at all. It seems to be of a culture issue. In some areas I work, people seemingly struggle even to say I don't know where Starbucks is. They feel like they have to have an answer for everything. And I actually trust people more if they say I don't know. I went to see a doctor once and this doctor said, I actually don't know what's wrong with you. So I need to go and get a colleague, a specialist that will help me out to understand this before we do anything. I really appreciated that because that meant that he really cared for my well-being and make sure that he was absolutely correct instead of just guessing to try to look good. Do you recognize that is something that happens in your organization? Maybe so. Let's talk about what type of culture do you have and where does this come from? What is generating the feeling that people have to say they know things even if they don't? Like and share this video as well. And thank you so much for listening.